Canva has live webinars that cost you nothing. There are even some specifically for video creators. Where are these free lessons, you ask? Let's find out. We're here on Canva's homepage, and I'm going to go up here to Learn. Look at this. There's one called Events. Click that. By the way, I'll put this link in the description for you so that you can have easy access to it, but I wanted to show you how to get there just in case you forget to look in the description. By the time you see this, these upcoming events will be past events. For example, this one is called Catch 'em with Canva using design principles to engage your audience. What about this one? Think like a designer. Improve your problem solving with this design thinking in Canva. And it gives you the date and time in your time zone so that you can see it. Learn how to easily edit and export video with Canva. Let's see when this one is. Wednesday, August 3rd, for me, 1 to 2 p.m., but there are multiple sessions available if I wanted to view a different time slot. It basically is a workshop about video editing. I might even be there to see if I can get any tips and tricks for you. I'm going to click Register Now. You're going to fill out all of this information. If you want to hear more about Canva Live webinars, you can click to get more emails and then register. You'll have live access to the webinar and a workbook. So I think that this is very important to attend webinars that Canva hosts because sometimes you get valuable information. I'm actually recording this using Canva's Record Yourself function. If you like this Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!